This machine we launched recently. It is called GV40. GV stands for gantry vertical, with the 40 as the number being the specifications of the machine, one of the thing. And this machine, what we have focused is like one of the thing is like compactness. The compactness, because every today across India we say space is money, and we are focused on that, and we have made it super compact. And apart from super compact, this is a high speed machining. Why I say high speed machining? When I talk about the spindle speed, in this particular model, we have 12,000 RPM spindle 12,000 with HSK A60, A50. We have, and up to 24,000 RPM also you can go. 20,000, 24,000 RPM you can go in this. And it comes with a belly type of umbrella type ATC with a direct fit. How much? 26 tools. 26 tools you have here. And the table, the table, what you see is it's just like a turntable, what we concept we see. The turntable will take just 5 seconds to rotate. And the way we have built it is like, you can accommodate both the sides, the rotary tables. On both. Also, you can accommodate both the sides production systems. If you have cradle plates or other things, you can accommodate that. Okay. And also, it comes with a rapid of 50, 50, 48. Okay. So,
and spindle is BT 40, 30.
So BT 30 it will be. In this case, A50. HSK. We have launched with HSK because if it's high speed is required up to achieve 20,000 RPM and all these things. HSK is more preferred application wise. It's a more rigid aspect of it. So that's why we have put HSK. So apart from this, you have as I told you, this system, this thing is loaded. You can get in coolant through spindle with a compact conveyor at the back. Okay. So this is one of the USP. And the other things where you can use this machine is you can use it in automotive sector, in aerospace sector, medical. If you have medical components, you can use this in medical components. Today,
we can integrate in the line also. In the
yes, sir, we can integrate with complete automation. You can integrate with even we have a team, in-house team in ACE, where we can help you with the complete automation of, we can build the automation cell for you, and we can offer this machine with that. And other elements is like, you can use it in electronic industry. Today, because the lighter and lighter metals have been used, aluminum and aluminum. So that's where aerospace, automotive, electronics, medical, and general engineering. So this machine is suitable for all these industries.